Guys, welcome to Physics Daily. We are here to find out the mystery behind the patterns that are generated when we spin around the fidget spinner. You see the patterns there? Yeah, beautiful patterns, right? But is this an illusion, or there is something with the fidget spinner? What's the reason behind this? We will find out. Right, guys, now let us discuss something fundamental. Let us discuss about persistence of vision. So what is persistence of vision? It is the ability of eye to retain the image of an object for some time even after the removal of object. That means if the structure of eye, let be like this. It's the lens, these are the retina, okay, and let the object be a candle like this, okay. The lights that are coming from this will be converging and form an image here where will be an inverted image, okay. Let's suppose say that we remove this candle, okay. Now we remove this candle. Even if you remove this candle, the image of the candle here will be retained by the retina for 60 milliseconds. Yeah, you can see the candle, image of the candle for 60 milliseconds even if you remove the candle. That is called persistence of vision, and that time, the duration, the 60 milliseconds is called the persistence time. Alright, we don't have to worry about the inverted image here because our brain will again invert it and will perceive as if it is a straight image. I think you got that. Now let us suppose a football which rolls on a plane, okay, and it will go through the points A, B, C, D and E in just 60 milliseconds, okay. Then what will happen? Will we see only one football when it will reach point E, or what? How our brain will perceive? Now let's turn over it. What's written in here? Your brain averages what you see in 60 milliseconds. What does that even mean? Our brain averages what we see in the persistence time. Does that mean that we will see only 2 footballs because they travel from point A to E in just 60 milliseconds? No, we will see a series of footballs, that is 5 footballs, because our brain perceived each football at each positions in just 60 milliseconds. The brain will average the things out that we see. We will see 5 footballs. Not just does that even happen. Previously we discussed that images are retained in the retina for 60 milliseconds. Actually there are no retina. It is all about the brain. The images are retained in the brain, they got stuck with the brain, okay. Now let's suppose that the ball was at A, okay. Now it traveled to point E in just 60 milliseconds. We know that when it was at A, the image of the football was retained in your brain for 60 milliseconds, but in that amount of time, that is in 60 milliseconds, the football is at E. So what will the brain perceive? Brain will perceive each football at each positions. That is 5 footballs. Okay, because the football travel from A to E through B, C, D. Okay, and all the images at the respective positions got stuck with the brain. That's the reason we have. Now let's consider a transferred ball with blue LED inside. It has a thread attached to it. Let's revolve it in anti-clockwise direction with a time period of 60 milliseconds. So what will our brain perceive here? Our brain will see a circle made up of blue LED ball. Happens because of the persistence of vision, that the images at different positions in the circle get stuck in your brain, as the time period is only 60 milliseconds, and you perceive as if there is a circle made of blue LED balls. If it's a multicolor LED, then what will happen? We will see a circle made up of red, yellow and blue. A short video from Veritasium channel will make things clear.
By twirling it in a circle, simple.
You're gonna twirl that in a circle, and all of a sudden I'm gonna see that it's red, blue, and green.
I promise you nothing less.
Okay, that's a pretty good promise. Let's see it.
All right.
Wow. Okay, so I'm not too big of a person to admit when I'm wrong, and I see a red, green, and blue ball.
That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and in the next video we will discuss about non-LED fidget spinners. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye. Happy physicsing.